Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we'll be doing the exercises on the simple future tense. Before that, if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you may not miss any update from any of these videos. So without any further ado, let us get started. And one more thing, that if you have missed out the explanation of the simple future tense, you can see using the link that is given in the description box. So let us get started with fill in the blanks with the simple future tense form of verbs. Okay, very easy. Will, shall plus verbs first form. Someone is ringing the bell. I will open the door, because the verb remains in its first form itself. We dash our examination results in May. We shall know our examination results in May. The weather forecast says that it dash cloudy tomorrow. That it will be cloudy tomorrow. Okay. Manish dash the documents over to you next week. Manish will bring the documents over to you next week. You can put shall also. Okay. I'm having a headache. I'm having a backache. I think I will consult a physician. Okay, something that you are going to do surely. Shall is a mild obligation. Don't lift that box. You will hurt yourself. One day people shall travel to Mars, because we are not sure what's going to happen. There's a little box over there. I will post these letters. So in the next exercise, you have to write the negative forms of these verbs. Okay, to make negative, you add will, shall plus not plus the main form of verb. He will leave for work at 8 a.m. He will not leave for work at 8 a.m. I will wait for you for dinner. I will not wait for you for dinner. Jia will learn to drive from next week. Jia will not learn to drive from next week. They will meet us at the airport. They will not meet us at the airport. I shall take your picture with my new camera. I shall not take your picture with my new camera. School will close early tomorrow. School will not close early tomorrow. Rewrite the following sentences in its interrogative forms. You exchange the helping verbs to its subject, and then you add question mark instead of full stop to make it interrogative. They will carry my school bag. They will not carry my school. Will they carry my school bag? Question mark. Vineet will come early tomorrow. Will Vineet come early tomorrow? Question mark. The brother will look nice. The flower will look nice in this vase. Will this flower look nice in this vase? You will look taller in this dress. Will you look taller in this dress? His teacher will be happy with his work. Will his teacher be happy with his work? Sakshi will join the Indian Army. Will Sakshi join the Indian Army? So in the next exercise, what you have to do is you have to fill in the blanks with the will or will not according to the requirement of the sentence, or shall or shan't. Won't is the contraction for will not, and shan't for shall not. The principal said that he dash tolerate indiscipline from students. He will not tolerate indiscipline from students. यहाँ पर will not का won't भी लिख सकते. He won't tolerate indiscipline from students. You dash be rewarded for good work. You shall be rewarded for good work. Promise me that you will not or won't tell this to anyone. If you eat good food, you shall remain healthy. School shall remain closed for 1 month winter vacation. Remember you dash always wash your hands before eating anything. Okay. Remember you will always wash your hands before eating anything. Dash will be eating pasta for dinner tonight. Will we be eating pasta for dinner tonight? I'm sure Anjali dash get a first class. I am sure Anjali will get a first. Something that you're sure, you always use will get a first class. The shop dash offer bargain prices in the coming festive season. So the shop will offer a bargain prices in the coming festive season. I promise I won't tell anyone about the surprise party.